Dating rumors involving BTS member Jungkook and aespa member Winter have sparked intense backlash, resulting in legal action from Winter's agency and a truck protest aimed at Jungkook. On December 10, SM Entertainment released an official notice titled Updates on Legal Measures to Protect Winter's Rights. The agency stated, "We are fully aware of the seriousness of ongoing malicious posts and comments related to the artist, including sexual harassment, defamation, personal attacks, insults, privacy violations, and deepfake content." The company explained that it has identified numerous posts targeting Winter's character and reputation. After reviewing these posts, we will expand criminal complaints in stages, SM said. The agency also clarified that it is pursuing both criminal and civil action against individuals who created malicious content targeting aespa as a group. "We have secured extensive evidence and will proceed with zero leniency. We ask everyone to refrain from becoming involved in any unlawful activity." The timing of the announcement suggests a direct response to the rise in personal attacks against Winter following the dating rumor. Meanwhile, outside HYBE's headquarters in Yongsan, Seoul, a group of Jungkook's fans organized a truck protest. The trucks displayed messages such as, "If you will not remove the couple tattoo, step down from BTS activities." Is fan betrayal how you repay army who waited during your enlistment? Are you in your right mind, causing damage to the group? Erase the couple tattoo and restore the trust you broke first. The dating speculation began on December 4 after online communities and social media users pointed to several alleged signs of a relationship. These included matching tattoos with 3 dog faces on both idols' arms, Jungkook attending an aespa concert, similar rings and in-ear accessories, and matching ring fingernail designs. Neither HYBE nor SM Entertainment has released a statement, leading many to interpret the silence as a possible acknowledgement. Winter returned to the public eye 2 days after the rumor surfaced when she appeared at a fan signing event. During the event, she noticed a fan who was crying and told them, "Do not cry," a moment that quickly spread online. Jungkook appeared calm throughout the situation. On December 10, he shared a photo on social media of himself eating ramen with presenting an image of an ordinary and relaxed day despite the ongoing controversy. See also, netizens rave over aespa's classic, refined beauty captured at 2025 Mama Awards.